These cars are known as slabs. They customize them in crazy ways, including this. Kiss my ass. These are trunk displays. Let's see what this guy has. Can't be me, won't see me. This is their way to flex. Basically show people who they are. Slab stands for slow, low, and bangin'. Acres Home still winning. So I got to meet these guys, hang out with them when I was filming my TV show in Houston. Now, one of the major ways they customize their cars is with those rims. They're known as swangers or elbow rims, and sometimes they can come out as far as 1 meter to the side. The other way they customize their cars is this. Take a look at how that hood is rattling. They need super, super loud, powerful sound systems. Yeah, like this one. The more your car rattles, the better. Sometimes it even shatters glass. Now you see how they kind of weave in and out like that? I'm giving it a go now, as you can see. And what they used to do this for was so that rival gangs couldn't pass them on the road. So they would weave in and out to keep them at bay. Slabs also have to be brightly coloured. The colour of your car used to stand for which part of Houston you were from, but now that's become more relaxed. What I loved seeing about slab culture is they all said their love of cars brought them together and has stopped a lot of violence between the gangs. They also have to have that extra wheel at the back. So you've got these candy green colours, candy pinks, yellows. What am I doing? It looked easier than it was, doing this weaving in and out. It was so cool to meet these guys. If you go to Houston, you're definitely going to see some slabs.